Welcome to AnnnYang again. Today we are going to show you the AnnnYang conventional lathe. And you will see there's one variable speed lathe here. And there's a clutch lathe here, and there is a conventional lathe. Today we are going to show you how we rotate the spindle with the clutch lathe. Okay, follow me. First of all, what we do is we turn on the power of the lathe, the clutch lathe. Secondly, remember to release the E-stop. You will see the lights on for the power lamp. And then you press the spindle start. You will see the main motor is moving. And then I will show you when the brake is off. First, you use the start letter, turn to the right, you push down. Back to the middle. When it's without the brake, it will start slowly. Just watch it again. Move it to the right. So when it's without the brake, it will stop slowly. Now, we will switch to the brake on. When we switch to the brake on, we move the lever to the right, and we move it down. And now, move to the middle, you will see it stop immediately. Let's see again. Move the lever to the right, move up. Move it down, stop. So the function of the brake is perfectly to stop the spindle immediately. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys.